In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to customize the status bar in Microsoft Excel. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you're going to first locate the status bar along the bottom of your Excel window to see whatever you're looking for. So versus ready or whatnot, you want to right click in a blank area over here. And now you can check mark inside whatever areas you want to be displayed. So pretty neat little thing to know about, hopefully. So if nothing's showing up down here, you want to make sure you have your average and sum check marked. So you can see average and count is selected. You do maximum, minimum. So let's say I did minimum in here and I clicked out. If I highlight over all of this, you can see now it'll show our minimum down here. So definitely a nice little feature to know about, and I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.